Hello, welcome to Forum's tutorial on screen sharing with Forum Live. My name is Maddie, and I will be guiding you along in a step-by-step process on how a presenter can use Forum Live to share their desktop screen to others connected to the Forum presentation. Forum Live allows for any file type to be shown from video, PowerPoint, Word, Excel documents, CAD programs, websites, apps, and so much more. If it can be seen on your desktop, it can be shared. With Forum Live, you can share something other than your Forum presentation at any point during your meeting. Activate Forum Live from within the Forum app by clicking on the Forum Live icon. To begin sharing your screen, you will start the Forum Live app. You can choose between standard and high frame rate streaming. Once you choose your Live button, your Forum Live application will start automatically. On your taskbar, click on the Forum Live icon to see if the stream is ready. You can also stop the stream from the Forum Live application by clicking on Press to Stop Stream. You can preview your screen by clicking on Preview Stream. While previewing, if your screen begins to kaleidoscope into smaller and smaller windows, just cancel the preview window and proceed with Live. When you are ready to share, click on Go Live. Your audience will now be able to view your screen. When you are done sharing your screen, click on Stop. Your audience will automatically return to your Forum presentation when you stop sharing with Forum Live. For more videos like this, please visit our Help Center at www.holdaforum.com under the Support tab. You may also reach the Forum Customer Interaction Department directly by phone, email, or chat during regular business hours. Thank you.